You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 11th of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather featuring a few scattered showers today. And really after today, things look nice and quiet and dry for a while. Here's the upper air look this morning. Very deep upper trough moving into the deep south. That provided the dynamic support for the rain and storms we had yesterday. And again, with that upper trough, we'll see a few showers around today, mainly for the northern half of the state. That's the radar composite early this morning. We are live at 5:21, and you can see showers moving into northwest Alabama, a few spotty showers elsewhere. And again, once this passes, it's going to be really dry, unusually dry for April for the next week or so. We are starting off this day in the 60s across the state. Huntsville 62, Birmingham, Montgomery 65, mid to upper 60s for Mobile and Dothan. Still breezy today. We got some wind advisories for parts of the deep south, not for everybody, but all locations across Alabama. Breezy, not as windy with that wake low we had yesterday on the back edge of the rain, but still we'll see winds of 15 to 25, maybe gusting to 30 in spots. And around the nation, other than the wind advisories down here, things are fairly quiet. A chance of strong storms later today to the east of Alabama. We have an enhanced risk of severe storms over parts of Ohio and West Virginia. The broad risk running from central Florida up into the far eastern Great Lakes and the upper Atlantic coast. Tomorrow, of all places, a marginal risk over parts of Idaho, Oregon, and Nevada. On day 3, which is Saturday, no severe storms are expected. We'll jump to day 5, which is Monday. We have an enhanced risk already in place over parts of North Texas, Oklahoma, southern Kansas, the broad risk running from near the Texas Hill Country up into parts of Iowa and Nebraska. And then the following day, on Tuesday, we have a risk of severe storms from Little Rock up to near Chicago and Madison, Wisconsin. We don't expect any severe storms in Alabama next week as the upper ridge in place here will shunt most of the energy north and west of the state. In fact, it looks awfully dry for a while. Again, today we'll see scattered showers. And what you see here, the rain amounts of under a half inch, that's what falls today. South Alabama should be dry today and dry for the next 7 days. And again, the rest of the state should be dry tomorrow through Thursday morning of next week. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. That long wave trough going negative tilt. And down below that, a breezy and cool day. A lot of clouds around. And again, scattered showers mainly for the northern half of the state. The better chance of seeing sun today near the Gulf Coast. Highs in the 60s with a cool breeze. This is the high-resolution HER model, valid this evening at 6 o'clock. Still showing a few showers over the Tennessee Valley, but by 8 or 9 o'clock tonight, everything should be gone. And then tomorrow, a very nice day. We start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the upper 60s and low 70s. A sunny sky. Saturday looking good. Again, Saturday morning, we're expecting lows in the 40s. But a big warm-up, the high Saturday approaching 80. And Sunday, partly to mostly sunny and warm with highs in the low 80s in most spots. Let's go to next week. It's going to be the warmest week so far this year. Monday, lots of sunshine, low to mid-80s. Same thing on Tuesday. We note that very deep surface low over extreme southwest Minnesota. That's going to be a very, very windy day for the upper Midwest, the Great Lakes, the High Plains. But again, that feature will be shunted well to the north and west of the state. We're still warm and dry. Same thing on Wednesday. We'll be in the mid-80s in many spots. A little summer preview. And this is a week from today, Thursday the 18th. Ridge over the Gulf of Mexico. A surface front trying to push in here, but the main surface low is moving way up into Canada. But that might bring a few showers toward the end of next week, either Thursday or Friday, but it doesn't look like a major rain event. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 20th. Got a big upper low that's over eastern Canada, and we should be in a very dry air mass. So again, the basic idea for next week, very warm, mostly dry, maybe a few showers toward the end of next week, and then highs coming back in the 70s for that following weekend, the 20th and the 21st. But again, that weekend looks just very nice, and we see no severe weather threats here for at least the next 10 days, which again is very odd for April. This is when we expect very active weather. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble between now and the 26th of April. The mean a little under 2 inches. And here comes the warmth. Yeah, buddy, summer fans will like this. Now, again, Saturday morning, we're going to be in the middle 40s, nice and cool. But then low and mid-80s Sunday through all of next week, and then back in the mid-70s for that weekend of the 20th and the 21st. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance, this is for April 18th through April 24th. Temperatures above average here across the Deep South. So for yesterday, for most of the state, just a breezy, rainy day. We had severe storms near the Gulf Coast. Had a very brief tornado touchdown in parts of Mobile. Now, this damage was in Homewood, and this was caused not by a thunderstorm, but by gradient winds, the wake low on the back edge of the big rain mass. And winds gusted to 45 miles per hour in spots, and some of the trees did not like it, and some of them came down. This was right off Highland Avenue on the south side of Birmingham. And again, those wake lows, they can stir up a fuss. In fact, at one point, we had about 40,000 people in the state with no power. But again, these winds here were not related to storms. Wake low, gradient winds. But boy, the sun broke out right at sunset yesterday. Goodness gracious. After a breezy, rainy day, that was just a gorgeous scene. The colors were just stunning late yesterday. Hey, send me a picture of a cow and a sunset and a goat. That's going to make it on these videos. Kids love a good sunset. It's a great shot there, but I like this one. Little tea time, tractor time. Driving into the sunset. Boy, these were just great shots. All these were taken about 7 o'clock yesterday. The colors were just amazing. And on top of the nice sunset, we actually had a couple of very vivid rainbows. I do believe that was taken down in Otaugaville, but just very, very, very nice. So today I have a weather program in Mountain Brook, Canterbury Day School at Canterbury United Methodist Church. And then tomorrow evening, I will be speaking at Northern Illinois University in DeKalb, Illinois, which is west of Chicago, at their American Meteorological Society chapter meeting. And it's open to all students, open to the public. So if you're in Chicagoland, hopefully you'll come by and say hi. Again, that's tomorrow evening. I think it starts at 6. I'll post the specific location and time up on the social platforms today. No book signing Saturday because that's a travel day. The next book signing is Saturday, April 27th in Fayette. And more details on that as we get closer. And of course, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.